Welcome guys to the new episode of Python programming series. In this episode we are going to discuss about list methods in Python. So in previous episode we have seen how to create lists and also the to-do list, right? Let's consider this example. I will take a list of random numbers here. Okay. Now if I print numbers, it will print the list. Okay, if you want to insert any number at the end, you can use this way. Okay, so as you can see, we have added the 50 at the end. If you want 40, you can add that. Now suppose if you want to remove the last element from the list, you can use the pop method. Okay, this will remove the last element from the list. Okay, this is a pop method in Python. If you want to insert any number, suppose if we want to insert the number here between 8 and 7, so what we can do is I want to insert at one index, and what number you have to add, suppose 45. So you can see 8, 45 and 7. In this way you can provide the index where you want to insert, then you can insert that number. For example, if I give index 2, then 45 will come at index 2. Similarly, we have the remove method. For example, if I say remove 10, it will remove the 10 from the list. For example, if I give 8, then we have two 8s. Let's see which 8 it is removing. The first occurrence is getting removed. Okay, this 8 is still there. If you want to check some number, for example, if I want to check whether 20 is in the list, so you can do this way, true. If I give 50 is in the list, it will give us false. So this way you can check out whether the number is available in the list or not. Okay, I hope you got the understanding of list methods in Python. In the coming episodes we will focus on the new concepts like tuple and dictionary. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.